Today I'm going to splice some number 2 ACSR. First thing is clean the wire. So I've sanded these a little bit. And then you have this compression sleeve here. I'll start by taking this out, putting this in. I don't know how well you can see that, but these have Pinatrox in them. I don't know exactly what sound that is. So spin these around a little, make sure it's in every place it needs to be. So I assume that is clipped in enough so I can take my crimper. I believe you are supposed to start in the middle. So I'm gonna start right here. Work my way down. And these connectors will bow, so you want to alternate from each side. This is a little odd of a crimp shape, but it crimps. So I don't know how well you can see that, but this is already starting to bow a little bit from this other side. I think these are called pop tools, if I can remember right. I have one with an O&D die currently on the way, so I can crimp triplex and other stuff, and I might be getting some number 2 or number 4 ACSR. So that is crimping a number 2 compression splice with my DIY BG/5/8 dies crimper.